this will be a very short video. If you've got this far, then you're probably at the stage where you could start typing the code in yourself. So you've got a first-person shooter, you're firing stuff, and you've got the reload script and all that kind of stuff. So all we need to do now then, I'm going to try and, in this video, just put one tiny bit of code in that when you fire at something, that thing disappears. Now if you do game objects, 3D objects, it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to do capsule, so I'll click on that and then I get a capsule appear. Okay, so you've got, this is what you get with the capsule. So it has something called a collider and a mesh, so it means that somebody can actually collide with it. I'm just, later on I'll be looking at things like tags. You don't need to actually have a tag on it, but that's something for kind of later on, when we have other things like zombies or something else anyway that we're going to shoot at. Now all you need to do, if you click on your actual weapon again, so you have this weapon script, so you double click on that. So this is what you've got at the moment, and this is all this stuff that you haven't typed any of this stuff in yourself. Okay, this has just been uploaded. But it would be good now to start actually looking at some of the code behind it. Now, if you're kind of new to Unity, C# and coding, none of this will make any sense. But on your weapon code, you'll see where it says fire. So this is when you've actually fired something. So I'm going to come down a bit. Okay, input button, get button, fire. It's built in to Unity that when you left click, that's the fire button. So it's going to, if you've got enough bullets, if they're greater than 0, then you're going to go here, fire. And that's like a little mini program. So I come down again, and this is the fire. Okay, this is where you're now going. So you're jumping from here down to here. Okay, what this bit means here is if you actually hit something. Okay, so if you hit something, and inside these curly brackets, you're going to put what happens if you actually hit something. Okay, so you put if. I'm going to do an open bracket. Oops. If what you hit. Okay, I put full stop, a dot or period or whatever. Dot transform. Dot. Okay, name. If the name of the thing that you hit is, so I put a capsule on, so I'm going to put capsule. Oops, it might do that. So if the thing that I hit, and you have to do the double equals, equals, equals. Now you do another open squiggly bracket, a closing squiggly bracket, and in between that you're going to actually say what is going to happen if that's true. Now if you're doing this and it's red, that normally means something is wrong. Now I just need to put this inside the speech marks, and what you're going to do, if the name of the thing you hit was capsule, okay, then you're going to destroy. I think, is it dot? No, okay, it's open bracket. Other. Okay, that just basically means another object in the game. And I just put that on the end of it. Now if I compile that, okay, go to the game, play. So when I go to the capsule, okay, the capsule is on the stage. Is this not loading? Okay, we go. Okay, there it is. When you put the capsule on, you might need to drag it up. It might go underneath the floor, but hopefully if I fire at this, it should disappear. Gone. Okay, and that's it. So that is how. But if I fire at the walls, okay, so they don't disappear. It only does it on the actual capsule. Okay, so that is how you fire at something and then the thing disappears. So what I'll try to do next video is then have something where you're, well, it's like a zombie or something like that. This will be quite a basic game. If you look at YouTube tutorials, it goes into hundreds, 80, 100 videos on doing a third-person shooter. So this is going to be quite a basic game. Might have things like health for the enemy, health for you, but I'll see how we end up. But just take one step at a time.